Unbound Stockton is an educational nonprofit that sees the community as our classroom. We currently work as free summer, spring, and fall break camp programs to help connect upper elementary school students to their local community. We've been so thankful for the College Corps Fellows, as well as the experience of partnership through University of the Pacific, as well as Unbound Stockton. And they've leaned in on all different areas of this work, including our educational program, developing the schedule, helping with the social media and marketing. We've thrown the fellows into working with the students, and ultimately, all together, they've created a long-lasting impact on the students that are seen here.
So far, it's been a great experience. I got to work with kids in the area, and Philip has kind of started a new school, and I think it's an amazing school. I've been creating Instagram reels, posting stories every day, and creating slideshows and videos to promote the program. But working with the students at first was pretty chaotic, but once you get to know them, they're actually pretty fun to be around.
We always believe students need to show off and publicly display what they're learning to spread that knowledge. And today they will be capstoning a final showcase where they get to present their plays, their presentations of what they've done, and get to show off projects to help others learn about the things that they've created.
The reason why I joined College Corps is because it obviously helped a lot with my tuition, but it's also a great experience to work with nonprofits in Stockton.
We feel like this is a valuable partnership because it also influences our fellows to see the community themselves, to be ingrained in Stockton, and we're so lucky to be a part of this program and can't wait to work with and impact more fellows in the future.